Hi Aries. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. This reading is from the month of November, and your cards are already jumping, Aries. What is with the energy? I will be doing more readings as and when we enter November. What are the messages for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. I feel some of you are going to be getting some kind of news um, that you have been waiting for since a very long time. Now, this news could be a communication from an earth sign individual who you were trying to manifest in your life. I also feel that it could be a Virgo to be precise because you've got the Hermit card and you've got the uh, Knight of Pentacles. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Devil. Scorpionic energies. Guys, Aries, I feel that I hope you are sure of what you have wished for or what you have tried to manifest because the universe has heard your prayer and is now manifesting whatever you asked for. So make sure that whoever this person is or whatever this thing is that you had asked for, you know that it's going to serve you well and that it's going to only benefit you. I see a new start coming your way. Um, okay, so I feel that in the near future, you will find yourself a little, uh, how do I say? You'll find yourself being resisted by people. I feel that you are of some kind of opinions that don't go well with the people you live with or the friends you have or the community you belong to. But I feel that you're quite determined to walk the path that you've chosen for yourself, and you know what to do. But make sure that you don't lose yourself in this turmoil. You don't lose yourself. I feel that this is an ego clash with people who uh, are pretty close to you. Could be your parents, your community, your family, anyone. But I feel that you have some kind of an ego clash with them, which may lead you to be indecisive in the near future. You may be um, forced to reconsider your actions, your thoughts, your thought processes, and the ways of dealing with things that you um, employ, you know. So, I also feel that you will move on from that energy quite fast, but just make sure that whatever you are waiting for, whatever you're trying to manifest, doesn't bog you down, doesn't trap you, and be mindful of the things that you ask for, basically, Aries, because sometimes we think that whatever we are asking for is going to serve us in the long run, but unfortunately, sometimes it becomes difficult. Uh, Sometimes it becomes difficult to handle our own manifestations. And I also feel that right now you're in a very dark space where you want to isolate yourself, even though you're surrounded by people, but it's mostly leading to clashes, arguments, disagreements. And it's not a very good space to be in. And probably whatever you've manifested or whatever you were manifesting is finding its way to you. It'll be with you pretty soon. But I also feel that it's not going to relax you in any way. I feel that if it's not going to lead to anything that is fatal, but it's not going to give you mental peace. So make sure you know exactly what you're asking for, Aries, because whatever you ask for right now will manifest. So be careful what you wish for, basically. Yeah, two. Lots of twos and threes in your reading. Lots of waiting, lots of contemplating. Aries, I feel that you need to relax a little and indulge in some kind of meditation or something, because you have a lot of ideas, but every idea is leading you to a clash, to a turmoil, to something that is going to harm your mental space. So make sure you don't indulge in those kinds of energies. You don't become impulsive and ask for things that are not going to work out for you. It's a big no. Guys, so this is an additional message. It may or may not relate to the tarot directly, so take it however it resonates with you. Um, you could relate it to the tarot, or if you had a question or some kind of confusion, the answer is no to that. And it's a big no. It's not like just a no. It's a big no, no, Aries. Bring love into the situation. Yeah, I feel that right now you're so irritable, and you feel bogged down by current situations that you become bitter. Try and bring some love. But the moment you start doing things that make you happy, you'll automatically start feeling loved. You are good enough, Aries. Never forget that. Okay, there are two cards that come out. Okay. Hold your vision and work through your fears. These are additional messages for you, Aries. You can take them however you want to. And all in all, I just um, advise you to not take hasty decisions that will trap you rather than liberate you, because you've got the devil card as well. Something that is like an addiction, something that will trap you, something that will make you codependent on it, is not something that is healthy. So make sure you don't manifest a, a thing like that or a situation like that. Um, all the rest is great. You're moving on from turbulent times to better times, but these little hiccups are going to come, so make sure to not lose yourself in the journey. Hold your vision, guys. Hold your vision, Aries. Thank you for watching. Bye.